Can you legally start a business broke? I mean, legally starting a business that complies with federal or state law. The short answer, well, I can get you there for less than $100. You must understand that when you start a business broke, you are going to have to do all of the work yourself. You're going to have to do all the research yourself. You're going to have to fill out all of your applications by yourself. And if you have questions, you're going to have to make the phone calls or do whatever it is necessary to figure out how to solve that problem. So what we're going to do in this video, I'm going to give you a to-do list. And that to-do list will help you to legally start your business for under $100. Select a few business names. Select about 3 to 5 business names, and you're going to have to hang in there with me because I'm going to explain to you why that step is super important. Once you select 3 to 5 business names that you want to use, you're going to research them. You're going to go to your search engines, your Googles and Firefoxes or whatever else is out there. Put in your business name, see what comes up. If nothing comes up, so far you're doing okay. Next, you're going to go to the Secretary of State. Here in Texas, we have an office called the Texas Secretary of State. They have a database of current business names that are being used. I believe it's $1 I have to pay, but you can go through that database, search for your business's name, and make sure no one is using it. Check social media sites to see if your business name is being used. When checking your business name, be sure to also do the acronyms. You're going to go to a website called the USPTO.gov site. That's an acronym for the United States Patent and Trademark Office. You're going to go there, and it's free, by the way, and you're going to make sure that no one has trademarked your business name. What could happen is you could get sued for using a business name that someone has trademarked. I know a lady who years ago started a beautiful business, and she was sued because she did not check the USPTO office. They contacted her and told her, you're going to stop using our business name, and you're going to pay us $40,000. She had to shell out $40,000 because she did not check to make sure the business name she chose was not used. So we're going to say that you've checked and everything is great. So next, we're going to go to the county clerk's office. Wherever your business resides, there should be some sort of office, government office, where you can get a DBA license, DBA, doing business as license. So you're going to go there and you're going to fill out the paperwork, take it with you if you don't understand it. Nowadays, you can download it on the county clerk's website, fill it out, go downtown or wherever your county clerk's office resides and pay the $25. Should be a very low amount, and voila. You've started your business legally, but you're not done yet. From an IRS standpoint, they're going to want to know that you've got a business. Can you use your social security number to start your business? You sure can, but I have a lot of confidence in you, and I know your business is going to grow. So we're going to stay away from the social security. We're going to make sure your business is ready to fly. You're going to go to the IRS website. You're going to get something called an employer identification number, also known as the FEIN, Federal Employer Identification Number, and you can get that on the IRS.gov website, and it costs $0. In most states, there is something called a franchise tax that you're going to have to pay if you make over $2 million. I think it's 2.47 million in the state of Texas. We're not there yet, but at some point we're going to have to go to the state website, wherever your business resides, and you're going to have to get a state tax ID number That is also no charge, $0 for free. You're going to want to make yourself stand out. So you got to go get some money now. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a logo. You can create a basic logo for free on the internet, and there are thousands of websites out there that will help you create a free logo. Business cards, that's the same thing. There are a number of business card templates you can use. You can also print business cards from your computer at home. If you use a business card template like Avery also has the thick cardboard paper that you can put in your printer at home and print out your business cards. The thick paper to go on your printer to print out your business cards, that should be under $15. You're going to have to find a place on the internet to get the word out about your business and what you do and why you are the best. You're going to need a domain name and an email address. Domain names and email addresses, sometimes you can find those in a bundle. I found one just the other day on GoDaddy.com. I got a website and an email bundle and a marketing bundle for 1 year for $38. A lot of these places make it easy to where you can do your own website, and it gives you all kinds of instructions, and you can get a toll-free number where you can call if you have any questions. Well, we're going to be making a lot of money, so we're going to need some bookkeeping software. There are some places online where you can get free basic bookkeeping software, and it will help you keep track of your expenses and your income just enough to where it can help you when it's time to file taxes. Education and information. Well, when you start a business, you should be doing ongoing self-education. And of course, what you're doing right now. You're watching me on YouTube. There are many, many, many YouTube videos that will help you with any topic where you need more guidance and information. This channel alone has 500 videos that will help you in all aspects of your business. If you're ready to start your business and you are broke, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, anything I missed, I'd like to hear from you. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.